Alright, so we are going to end with a problem-solving one. So it says a theater earns $910 total from a concert. 37 orchestra tickets were sold and 19 balcony tickets were sold. The orchestra ticket cost 3 times as much as the balcony ticket. How much was each ticket? So first, I'm going to label this stuff because I don't know which one is which, so I'm going to give myself something to go off of. So I'm going to call the orchestra X, just because they listed it first, doesn't matter. And I'm going to call the Y, let's see, the Y is going to be the balcony. And the question is how much, so really it's like orchestra amount and the balcony amount. That might help if you're a little confused. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to gather all of my orchestra information, my balcony information. So I'm going to start with this money number. And the orchestra amount, I know there was 37 tickets. So the orchestra amount is going to be 37 times X, because I had 37 orchestra tickets sold. And I know that there were 19 balcony tickets, so I'm going to squeeze that with 19 for a total of $910. So I've got all that information. Now my second one is the second line. So it says the orchestra ticket costs 3 times as much as the balcony ticket. So I'm literally going to write that in the order that it says. So it says orchestra ticket, which stands for X. So I'm going to write X equals 3 times as much as balcony ticket, which is Y. So it says 3 times as much as Y. 3 times as much as Y. So this system represents the whole thing. And now again, we're going to use substitution to solve. So good news, I already have one solved for X. So I'm going to go ahead and box that. And that means this box has to go somewhere up here. So it says X equals. So if it says X equals, I'm going to go find the X, I'm going to take out the X, and then the box is going in. So 37 squeezed with 3Y plus 19Y equals 910. Again, this is the point where you should have all the same variables. So I can see I've got Y's, so I'm good to go. So 37 times 3 looks like 111Y plus 19Y equals 910. Combine like terms, looks like I've got 130Y equals 910. Divide by 130, and you get Y equals 7. So remember what we're finding here. Y stands for the balcony money. So the Y must be $7 per ticket because, because it says what was the cost, I believe. How much was each ticket? Yes. So since I did the Y first, the balcony must be $7. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the box. So I'm going to take this 7 and I'm going to go back to the box up here. And the box, it says 3 times 7 has to be X, because right here, 3 times 7, that equals X. So 3 times 7, 21. So in the end, your answers are, it's $21 for, go back to your labels if you don't know, X stands for orchestra. So $21 for an orchestra ticket and $7 for a balcony ticket.